Welcome back to another video at Detailer. This time we got a 2015 Porsche Macan S. So the car is, quick math, 7 years old. It's only got 9,000 miles on it. It's been supplied by a very reputable Porsche dealer and it's had a long string of problems. So because of that, the dealership are paying for me to detail the car. I won't tell you what the problems are. I don't know. I didn't ask. It's always better not to know with things like this. But you can't really see in this light. We'll have a little walk around and show you does low mileage mean good condition. So under the spotlight, well, it's a scan grip colour match light. You can see lots of swirls. There's some buffer trails there across the bonnet. And then down the passenger side, lots more of this sort of action. And then if you look deep in here, oh, if it'll focus, see the sanding marks, pigtails from a DA sander. So the passenger side, bonnet and front bumper have all been resprayed. Down here, there's supposed to be a little bit of stone chip like paint protection film. So here it is on the driver's side. Oh, this scuff wasn't here when I viewed the car. So yeah, driver's side, paint protection film. Passenger side, it's gone. So I'll be replacing that as well. I've already cleaned up all of this. There's lots of polish residue around that, around the mirror bases. Oh, the spoiler's seen some things. Pretty gnarly. Also, it wasn't here when I viewed it, but there's little white specks of paint all over the car. Still got to deal with those. Around the back, it's just super marred up. Oh, focus. Lots of swirls to deal with. On the driver's side, it's had, oh, it's hard to show in this colour. Some machine polishing up top, and it sort of just stops down the bottom. I don't know, a few buffer trails there you can see. But overall, this one shows you low mileage isn't great condition. Lots more buffer trails. Lights. Okay, so the car's going to get a 2-stage machine polish. We're not ceramic coating this one at the request of the owner. I'm going to be putting a Swissvax wax on it. The wheels are coming off, ceramic coat those. Coat the windscreen and a light tidy up on the inside. It's not so bad. Let's go. So at this point all the machine polishing work's done. Done 2-stage machine polish, and now we're going to look at the little PPF piece missing. So we've got one on the driver's side, so I made a little template and then flip it around and there's the glossy side of the PPF. So now that'll be the right size for this side. So I'll give it a panel wipe, squeegee it down and then install that. we're kind of on the home stretch now with the Macan. So the wheels have been off, ceramic coated inside out, cleaned up the calipers, coated those, now onto the paintwork. So the customers specifically asked for Swissvax Best of Show. It's got a special wax and it's one they use at home so they can keep topping up the protection as they like. I've actually got this wax out of my own private stash. If you've ever looked at the price of it, it's very expensive. But I always wanted it, so I bought it for myself sometime last year. And I've only used it once, so I'm going to get to use it again on this. So that's a wrap on the Porsche. It's actually gone, it went last week. Here we'll have a little sneak peek of the next video. So it had 2-stage machine polish, that's Swissvax Best of Show wax, wheels taken off, coated inside and out, and the brake calipers, exterior glass, polish and windscreen sealed, interior protection applied, and one super glossy grey Porsche went out. So thanks again for watching. I'll leave you now with the after footage. Stay tuned for the Tesla.